So, welcome everyone. Last class we discussed about the molecular orbital theory. Now we will also discuss about molecular orbital theory but the electrons filling up. So this is the arrangement. We know that this is the arrangement for O2 and F2 molecule. So what is the use of this configuration? The use of this configuration is to find out bond order. And bond order is half into Nb minus Ne. That is number of electrons in bonding without star minus number of electrons in anti-bonding with star. So number of electrons in bonding and number of electrons in anti-bonding minus. Now suppose I need to take out the bond order of O2. Suppose I need to take out the bond order of O2. So we know that for O2 it is this. So O2 means 2 into 8, that is 16 electrons. O2 means 2 into 8, that is 16 electrons. So I fill it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But I have 16. I have filled it 14. 2 left. Now I have equal, na? Same energy, na? So I will give 1, 1. 15, 16. Understood? So half. Number of electrons in bonding. Bonding without star. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of electrons in anti-bonding. Star. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half into 4, 2. So bond order of O2 is 2. That's why oxygen has double bond. This is the proof. Now coming to F2. F2 also same. Now coming to F2. F2 will be 2 into 9. That is 18 electrons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 4. Now I will give here 2, 2. So it can be 2, 2, it can be 2, 1. It can be 1, 1. It can be 2, 2, it can be 2, 1. It can be 1, 1. But it can be 0. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So half into number of electrons in bonding. So bonding orbital is how many? See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-bonding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Star, anti-bonding star, so 8. 10 minus 8. That is half into 2, 1. So bond order of F2 is 1, bond order of O2 is 2. Now at last, when I did O2, at last there was only 1 electron. So that will be called paramagnetic. Whenever there is 1 electron at the last, that is called paramagnetic. Here I have 2 electrons, because they are paired. So since I have 2 electrons and they are paired, so I will call it as diamagnetic. So bond order of F2 is 1, so 1 bond is there. Bond order of O2 I already did, that is 2. Now let us take out bond order of N2, nitrogen. But if I use nitrogen, students, I have to change the order. How? I will change the order. For nitrogen, pi to px will come here. Pi to px, pi to py, less than sigma to pz, less than pi star to px, less than pi star to py, less than sigma star 2pz. This is for N2. Let us do for N2. N2 is 2 into 7, that is 40 electrons. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 use place. So bond order half into Nb minus Na. That is half into bonding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-bonding 2, 3, 4, 4. Anti-bonding only 4. 10 minus 4, 6, 6. Got the point? Bond order is 3. So which means bond order of F2 is 1, bond order of O2 is 2, and bond order of N2 is 3. 1, 2, 3. So which means if I arrange for F2, O2 and N2. So bond order increases, bond length will decrease because inverse erosion, I gave the notes, and bond enthalpy will increase because bond enthalpy increases with bond order, and stability will also increase. So stability, bond order, bond enthalpy all increases, only bond length decreases because bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. Now I will just twist the question once, you see. Now suppose I write the order again for O2, sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and sigma star 2pz. I do for O2 plus. Only O2 plus 2 into 8 minus 1 because 1 electron is x less. 16 minus 1, 15 electrons. Okay, 15. Substitute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You need 15, so no option 1. That will remain blank. No option. You cannot give here 1, 1, 1, 1 like this. No, you cannot go there by stopping here. You cannot go there. You have to fill this, then you can go that side. So 1, I have to keep it at 1 only. So now I will tell the bond order. Half into number of bonding. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus anti-bonding. 2, 3, 4, 5. So bond order of O2 plus will be 2.5. Bond order of O2 plus will be 2.5. So O2, students, it was 2. Hence, if you do, you check. Rest you check. O2 came out to be 2. O2 plus came out to be 2.5. Now, if you do at home, you try on your own. If you do at home, O2 2 plus will come out to be 3. Because O2 2 plus has 14 electrons. 2 8 just 16 minus 2 14. And 14 electrons was N2. It was 3 3. So if you increase the plus charge, 0.5 increases. And if you decrease, O2 minus will come 1.5 because O2 is 2 minus 1.5. And O2 2 minus will come 1. Very important thing. So if you put on minus, decreases. So O2 was 2. Minus is 1.5, O2 2 minus will be 1. And O2 plus was 2.5, O2 2 plus will be 3. You at home, I have done these two. At home you take out this by this method. O2 2 plus, you take out O2 minus. O2 minus will be what? 17 electrons. 2 8 just 16 plus 1 17. And O2 2 minus will be what? 2 8 just 16 plus 2 18 electrons. So this part you do at home. So in this way we fill up the orbitals. So bond order is half into Nb minus Na. Number of electrons in bonding minus number of electrons in anti-bonding. Clear? And if bond order is more, stability is more, bond order is more, enthalpy is more, bond order is more, bond length is less. And if there is only one, suppose here, one, paramagnetic. And if at last there is 2, it is diamagnetic. So in this way we fill the numericals. Sorry, the electrons, the orbitals with the electrons. So take out other bond orders also and write the stability. This comes in exam. What is the bond order? What is electronic configuration? Who is more stable? So this way you have to find out. So that's all for today's class. In the next live class, we will discuss on this more. But you get just to this video I am giving just for you to get an idea how to fill it up. In the next class, I will show you in the live class how to fill it up. Once some more examples we'll do. So till then, thank you everyone for watching the video, and please practice this part at your home also. Thank you.